Today we're going to talk about our Nuface. We're going to get back into using this. So the Nuface device here, let me just share with you information on the Nuface. You can check it out below and start using yours as soon as you get it. I'll have the link down below for you to order yours. So let's get into that now. And y'all, let's get this skin popping, okay? And that's it. So let's talk about this Nuface. Child, who wants wrinkles and sagging skin? I don't think any of us are volunteering to stand in that line. I know I'm not. That's why I'm so glad that CURRENTBODY sent over the Nuface Trinity so I can try it out. I'm super excited, y'all. I've been wanting this device for a while. I love my natural treatments, but I was looking to find something that will give immediate results, and that's why we are here today. And right now, I am just unboxing it. Again, the Nuface Trinity Pro. Feels good in the hands. Yes, it does. It feels like it's going to do something. Power button there. It has the up and down controls right in the palm of your hand. And let's see what else is here. Okay, this is the charging base that I'm taking out right now. So the Nuface Trinity Pro has everything that you need inside the box. You get the Nuface Trinity device with the facial trainer attachment. The Nuface Hydrating Leave-On Gel, you get 2 fluid ounces of that. The user manual, you get the quick start guide, the charging cradle, and the power adapter is all here for you to get started. And I'm super excited about getting started with it. This is what they call fitness for your face. Skincare is your nutrition. Microcurrent is your exercise. Just as exercise sculpts and tones the body, microcurrent contours and tones the face. And like exercise, microcurrent benefits are visible and long-lasting with continued use. So I'm again excited about using this. I'm going ahead to put on the gel right now. Very simple steps in the entire process. Really 3 simple steps. You just prep your face, cleanse it off, and then apply the Nuface Hydrating Leave-On Gel Primer. In order to lift, just glide the Nuface Trinity over the face and neck as directed. You can use it on your forehead, your cheeks, your jawline, your jowls, and your neck. And I understand avoiding the actual thyroid center of the neck. Now on the left side of the screen, I have gone ahead and put up my before, and I'll continue to leave that up here as I go through the process of this until we get to the end of the actual process. Again, this is my very first attempt at doing this. I'm not skilled at it by no means, but I will continue to work with a Nuface Trinity Pro in order to see if I can get my real facelift. Okay, now it's called a 5-minute facial lift. Nuface Trinity is the first handheld FDA cleared skincare device that delivers professional microcurrent results. And great part about it, you purchase this one time, you have your device on hand, you don't need to set an appointment. You have what you need. The microcurrent helps to improve your facial contour, tone, and the look of fine lines and wrinkles, all in as little as 5 minutes a day. I will be taking out those 5 minutes a day every single morning and trying this out. I'm again happy to have it. I'm glad that CURRENTBODY was willing to send this over to me to test out, because again, I've seen it. You know, I love skincare videos and I watch them all the time, and to have this in hand, this is amazing, y'all. I mean, super amazing. This device has gotten rave reviews, and I was just ready to get it as soon as I chatted with them about receiving it. So I am super glad to have it. Now, wouldn't you want to be able to tighten up the skin and help with your facial toning anytime you like without having to set an appointment, without having to go to any type of expensive spa treatments? This is such a gentle and safe device that you can use it every day. For the first 60 days, it is recommended using the device at least 5 days a week for at least 5 minutes per treatment, and up to 1 treatment per 24 hours. Now, once desired results are achieved, you can use the device 2 to 3 times a week for maintenance. Now, at the beginning of the video, I did show y'all the actual gel primer that came with the Nuface Trinity Pro. This gel primer is specially formulated to activate your microcurrent treatment by increasing skin conductivity. And it's enriched with snow mushroom and hyaluronic acid for extra boost of hydration. After I finished the treatment, I did simply just massage it in and wiped it off the excess, and it does feel great on the skin. So with anything, everybody's skin is different. So as far as the results of the lifting and contouring, many people will see results instantly, but again, based on skin type and your skin conditions. In order to get the best results, of course, regular use with anything is required. And I didn't feel anything in using this device on my face, nothing majorly or nothing major to be concerned about. Of course, I did feel a little tingling sensation, probably, I don't know, because of the level I had it on. I did put it on the top level, and I tried it on my arm initially. If you were watching the video at the beginning part, you could see me kind of looking down. I was testing it on my arm first of all before putting it on my face. I recommend that for anyone so you can kind of know what your tolerance is of certain things. And I did not feel any type of sensation as far as the actual device hitting my face or touching my face, but just because maybe the tingling of the gel along with the device, that's about it. That's the extent. But that is for the most part it, and I will be using my device now that I have one on a regular basis. And again, I'm going to try to do this each day, every morning. It's so simple to do. Just right when you rise in the morning and wash your face. This is something that's pretty simple to implement into a routine and get some, great results. So that I'm excited about. I'm excited about hopefully getting rid of the double chin. I've tried so many things, and I really wanted to do this. My other need and desire for this was because, with me shedding a few pounds, I noticed that the face isn't as fluffy as it was. Now, of course, with the extra weight, I have plenty of fluff, so that kind of kicks away some of the wrinkles or, sagginess of the skin. But now when you lose the weight, that's where my concern is. And was when I lost weight a few years back, you tend to look a little older. So I definitely am eager to see if this will help eliminate the issues that I had before in the face area. So this is after I completed the treatment, and we'll just see the before and the after side by side. Again, no tremendous difference that I can see for myself, except for a few areas like around the chin area where I did concentrate a little bit more. I did speed up the video, but it does have its impact on the skin. So this is the result of what the Nuface Trinity Pro did for me. It's a great time to pick it up. Check out my link in the description box. I am an affiliate, and I do have a code that you can get 10% off. It's AngelNF. Check that out right here. Nuface Trinity Pro. It is amazing, and I do believe you'll find some great results at the end. Just be consistent and let it do its job. I'm Sweet Angel signing out for now. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me again as we explore this amazing new device that I just received, Nuface Trinity Pro. May not be new on the market, but it's new to me, and I'm excited to have it in my life. Take care, beautiful babes. Again, don't forget to check out the description box. Bye now.